Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel with a new video and a third lesson of free affiliate marketing course. Today I want to show you the most important things, pros and cons. As we know that everything in this world, in this universe is created by God, and everything have pros and cons. In a simple words, if I tell it to you or explain it to you, it's just like the advantages and disadvantages of something. That every single thing have advantages and every single thing have disadvantages, or every single thing have pros, or every single thing have cons. So today in this video I'm going to tell you that what is the advantages of affiliate marketing and what is the disadvantage of affiliate marketing. If you do, so what sort of disadvantage it have for you, or if you do it, so what sort of advantages in this affiliate marketing have for you. So keep it in front of yourself and match it with your niche. If it's matching with your niche and you want it and you like it, so then you have to do affiliate marketing. And otherwise, if you don't like this sort of thing and affiliate marketing, so please skip this video. This is not meant for you. Okay, give a lot of movies and songs have already uploaded on YouTube, so you can go and watch one of them. Or if you still interested in affiliate marketing, so once again, welcome to free affiliate marketing course. So without squandering your time, let's get back towards the video. But if you are new on my YouTube channel, so I'm doing a request to you that in these days I need subscriber and views, so make sure that please that you subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well for receiving the further more informative videos like this. So let's go. So let's initiate with the pros or advantages of affiliate marketing. The first one advantage which I keep in my list of affiliate marketing is low startup cost. And of course, affiliate marketing requires minimal budget to take a start. I'm gonna tell you, affiliate marketing is just like a promoting of someone product. Okay, as we know, and the first one lesson I've already told you. It's just like doing the advertisement of something. You have to do advertisement with yourself on. Okay, you're doing the editing, you're making the ad, and even you take a product which is just what you have to do hard work. Okay, and then you promote that one product to, like on your different platforms: YouTube, Insta, Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter, whatever. So you don't have to give any payment to any one website. So this is the first one, pros in my eyes. The second advantage or pros in my eyes, which I keep in my list on the second number, as passive income potential. Once you create a content and set up your affiliate link, then you don't have to make a content again and again and again on that product and promote it again and again. No, once you create a content and keep your or put your affiliate link, then wherever, forever and ever, when you promote, just share that one content once and promote that one link, and anyone come here, buy, come here, buy, come here, buy, then your business will grow daily, day after day. Your business will grow, so you don't have need to do effort that much again and again, just once. The third one advantage or pros which I have in my eyes and keep it in my list as a wide range of product to promote. Just like as we know that in affiliate marketing, what we have to do is take affiliate link of someone product, and then we have to promote it. So how much product we have already told you in the second lesson that each platform have thousand and hundred of product which you can promote, and they can give you the opportunity to give you the link, affiliate link, and as affiliate marketer you have to promote that. so it can give you, like a best opportunity. So this is also the best and the good advantage of affiliate marketing, which I have in my eyes. And these all are the pros of affiliate marketing. If you like it and you want to, start affiliate marketing, so continue with this course. This course is for you. So I've already told you the pros or advantages of affiliate marketing. So we know that everything in the universe have advantages as well, disadvantages as well. Like affiliate marketing have also the advantages, but the affiliate marketing have also the disadvantages. So be with me in this video. I'm going to tell you the disadvantages. So let's take a start with the disadvantages or cons of affiliate marketing. So the first one, cons in my eyes, which I keep in my first, high competition, because affiliate marketing is so accessible and a lot of people have the opportunity to do affiliate marketing like in the other parts of digital marketing if we've seen. So what we have to do is we have to, give the money for AdSense and blah blah blah, and like they give takes a lot of money. First you have to give money and they will give you the money, but our purpose is to earn you money for free. So what we have to do is don't waste your money for that. We have to tell you the main thing, okay? So we have a high competition in affiliate marketing. The first one thing, okay? Anyone wants it. Who don't want in this world the free thing? And and this is a money, this is a method of earning of money, and this is for free. So anyone want it, anyone want to do. So this is the first one, cons of affiliate marketing, which I have in my eyes. And the second one, cons or disadvantages of um, affiliate marketing in my eyes, as dependence on a company. As an affiliate marketing, you are the mercy or of the company you are promoting, which can be too risky if they changes policies or rules regulation. As we know that any man and even even companies and every manager or even every country changes policies every day by day, and advance go towards the advance day by day. Like technology is gonna advance, so anyone want to be advance yourself as well. The companies can also be changed, and his policies as also can be changed, and rules regulation they can change as well. So this can be the reason which can destroy your effort, the effort what you have done up till now, if they changes policies. This is also the disadvantage of affiliate marketing, which I don't like in it. And the third one, con or disadvantage of affiliate marketing, is limitation of commissions. Affiliate program have sometimes strict rules and regulation on commission and or promotion, mean you not earn as much as you expect. You can't earn that much money which you expect as from affiliate marketplaces. So I've already told you the pros and cons or disadvantage or advantage of affiliate marketing. So if you want and keep it in front of yourself, if you like it, so then take a start, then take a step with me of affiliate marketing. And I'm gonna suggest you that take a start. Beer is pure when your brother is here. You don't have to give any rupee or pie, okay? One thing, you don't have to give anything. Yeah, of course you have to give your efforts and hard work and consistency. Consistency can reach you to your goals, to your success, not dream. Okay, I guess I go towards the motivation. Guys, I'm too good at motivation. I guess I have to be a motivational speaker. Leave it, it's not a point of video. So inshallah, in the part one lesson, I'm going to tell you that how you can find the pros or cons of someone website, that this website has a lot of advantage or a lot of disadvantage, or this website is good for me or not good for me. So I'm gonna tell you how you can find it. Okay, so inshallah you will be learn. So if today's lesson or video is a little bit informative for you, so make sure you give the thumb to the video as well, and share your opinion in the comment below as well, and subscribe my YouTube channel as well, and press the bell icon as well. for receiving the further more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye.